through the curtains on a slow backcountry morn. Two fur-covered drifters lying low like they were Carolina born. One rolls over grooming, tail flicking in a sleepy sway. The other stretches out a paw like, hey, now we ain't done today. Flat on a blanket sprawled wide with that outlaw feline grin. They start a lazy little tussle just to feel that wow begin. It's a lazy bed brawl, claws tucked but spirits tall. Two backwoods cats throwing jabs without lifting up at all. No harm meant, just a ridge run scuffle in the cover sprawl, kicking up a storm of whisker wild down on paw to paw. Yeah, lazy bed brawl, just a slow burn country rumble till the sunlight calls. A tail twitch sparks a fire, sends a challenge down the line. Four paws flying sideways like they're chasing mountain vine.